Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. It's been a while since I bought something on here, so here we go again, playing with my money again. Remember a while ago I funded my individual account with $10,000 just so I have more buying power to get into more stocks? You probably don't, since I'm just a small fish in the sea and the YouTube gods probably didn't bother to pick it up. It's okay, you're basically all caught up now since I didn't do much with it. Now I'm changing up the direction of my investments a little since my Roth IRA is only limited to $1,000 or so to invest, and if you've been following me for a while, my Roth IRA is still up. Granted, Walgreens is down and ExxonMobil and Pfizer just got booted out of Dow Jones. I'm still holding on to them and I'll give you updates when I buy and sell my dividend stocks in my Roth IRA, and if you subscribe, I'll give you updates on that. Now that I have gathered all of you here, it's time to make some money moves on my individual account, and these are going to be the 5 stocks I'm going to get myself into and spending about $4,000 or so. I'll give you my reasons why I'm investing in them, but make sure don't take this as investment advice. Always do your own research before investing. Now since I have more time, I might jump into option trading as well. Who knows? I might make it into a series. I don't charge anything. I just share this for those who want to start investing. And make sure to get your free stocks with Webull and Robinhood if you haven't already done so you can start making money too. So without further ado, let's talk about the first stock I bought. It's Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I bought one share of Tesla a couple weeks ago and it was trading for around $1,900 before the stock split. Since they did a 5-for-1 stock split, I have 5 shares of Tesla and I bought 2 more shares of Tesla at around $480, bringing my total of shares in Tesla at 7 shares. Now, you might be thinking, you bought it way too high, buddy. You're right, but Tesla has a lot of room to grow. I'm expecting some sort of pullback after the stock split, but I'll be fine with it because I still have money left more to buy more share if they do pull back a lot. Now, if you've watched my other video on 5 high growth stocks, I talk about why Tesla is considered a buy, but I'll briefly go over it here. Short term for this month, I believe it's going to go up because Battery Day is coming, and that's basically when Tesla showcased their upcoming tech, which will be on September 22nd. Also, if they don't get included in the S&P 500 this year, that's totally fine because later down the road, when they do get included, it'll take their stock into new heights because institutional investors will need to get a piece of Tesla. But the main reason why I'm bullish for Tesla in the long run is because first, they have the China's EV market. In 2019, about 24 million combustion vehicles were sold in China, but only about 1 million of the electric vehicles were sold. As we move towards cleaner technology, there will be a demand for cleaner vehicles. My second reason is Tesla insurance. This won't make them a lot of money, but at least they have some sort of stable income coming in. With the data that they have, they can undercut other insurance companies and have their consumers in the same ecosystem. My third reason is Tesla Solar. They've now made solar stress-free and hassle-free. They have a subscription model where there's no upfront cost and you can cancel anytime, so they made the process super simple. And my fourth reason is autonomous vehicles. Currently, they're the leaders in it and they have a lot of data to make it possible. And once that's possible, we won't need taxi, Uber, or Lyft. I'm just saying. Since we're talking about electric cars, let's talk about NIO, and their ticker symbol is NIO. And that's the second stock I bought. I bought 25 shares of it for about $19.90. For those of you who don't know NIO basically sells electric vehicles mainly in China, so this is a Chinese-based company. It's not as big as Tesla, but it does have a cult-like following like Tesla. And the reason why I'm bullish in them is because China's EV market is huge. In addition to that, the company is backed by the Chinese government. If the Chinese government is investing in them, they aren't just going to let them fail, plus they aren't going to let Tesla have all the fun taking up China's EV market, and you can bet in the future that they'll have incentive for the people to buy their own electric vehicles. The third stock I bought is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. I bought 8 shares of Apple at around $133 each. Now, Apple is huge already with a 2 trillion market cap, but that's not going to stop it from growing. The holidays are coming soon, and when they introduce 5G capable device, it'll even drive more sales. During their 4th quarter, all the fanboys and fangirls will be raving about it, but they haven't revealed it yet. Now, Apple isn't only about phones, they have laptops, tablets, desktops, and their app store. Since we're still in this pandemic, more and more people are going to work from home, and this is another factor that's going to drive up their sale because people need some sort of device to connect online to work. Since Apple just recently did a stock split, I won't be surprised if there's a pullback in these coming weeks. If so, I'll just pick up some more shares, but overall, I'm bullish in this company in general. For the fourth one, I bought Square, ticker symbol SQ. I picked up 6 shares of it at around $169.80 each. For those of you who don't know about Square, they offer financial services to businesses and individuals. mostly known for their point of sale solutions. If you've been to a boutique kind of store, you've probably swiped your debit card or your credit card with it before. Now, they don't just only process payments, they have an app called Cash App where they can spend, send, and store money. Basically like PayPal or Venmo. So they have two ecosystems set up already, one for businesses and the other one for individual consumers like us. The business side is killing it for them since it makes it easy for small to medium-sized business to start up. You can basically manage payroll, inventory, analytics, and you can even get business loans all within their ecosystem. It's basically like a one-stop shop for these small to medium-sized businesses. That alone could help grow the company, but another huge driving force is its Cash App. It's like a bank but better. Within this ecosystem, it'll take care of all of your online banking needs such as direct deposits, getting your own debit card to use, and giving you discounts to places. You can even send money to people easily, and just in late 2019, they launched the investing side of Cash App. You can start investing in crypto and stocks as little as $1. What's crazy is that they have 24 million monthly active users and it's been increasing year by year. Although financially they did take a huge hit during this pandemic, but I'm confident that in a couple of years or so, things will go back to normal and people will just start slowly using less and less physical cash. Therefore, I'm bullish on Square. For the fifth one, I bought TORTOISE Acquisition, ticker symbol SHLL. I picked up 13 shares of it at $40.30 each. Now this company is basically formed just to merge with another company, and that company that it's going to merge with is Hyliion. This is a speculative play. I'm not planning to hold all of my shares in the long run. Once the merger is done and they run up, I'm going to sell. They expect to merge within this month, which is mid-September, but who knows. Hyliion is unique in a sense that they create electric and hybrid trains for commercial trucks. This means trucking companies could just spend a fraction of the cost retrofitting their entire fleet of trucks rather than replacing an entire truck itself, which is costly. Their mission is to eliminate the carbon intensity and reduce greenhouse gas emission for trucks. So in a way, it's better driving these trucks. They have a proven product, and I'm leaning towards that the stock itself will double when it merges. And the reason why I say this is because this happened with Nikola. When they merged, their stock price more than tripled without even a proven product. And then they had a huge pullback. So yeah, that's my take on it. Overall, make sure to do your own research first before investing. This is just my take on these companies. So if you like content like this and want to see more on what I'm doing with my portfolio, make sure to subscribe and please give this a like if you like the research behind it. But anyway, I'll catch y'all later.